ShortAlgo here, and today we are looking at stock ticker NVCN. It is December 16th, 2020. So here we can see the technical chart, and specifically what we're running is the ShortAlgo algorithm, which basically delivers the short and the buy signals. It merges 15 unique indicators to tell you when is the perfect opportunity to buy and sell. So we're looking at the 45 minutes charts, and it's actually adjusts based off of the time period that I'm looking at. But looking at the 45-minute chart, we always like to zoom out, see what's going on, and what kind of a trend this particular stock followed, right? So we had a short signal at $2.54 back in October, and what we saw is that it had a massive drop down. It's been trying to find support ever since, and now once we look at the big picture, we found that there's another opportunity to short. Usually when we see a huge run up, we like to zoom and we change the time frame that we're looking at. So now we're going to be looking at the 15 minutes. And from the 15 minutes, you'll see that the ranges are a little bit more tight in terms of when you should buy and when you should sell. Let's go a little bit closer into the 5 minutes and then the 3 minutes. And here you can see it's had little peaks in the past where it really ran up from 73 cents all the way through to 86 cents. Nice little jump there. Our ShortAlgo, once you adjust the ranges and the time series, you're able to look at the peaks for those more granular movements. But in this instance, we saw that, okay, well, the peaks were identified correctly with the ranges and the times that we had in place. So we decided to use that same pattern to really identify what was going on with this particular parabolic movement. And sure enough, we got the signal right at the top, short of the security. We had the opportunity to cover here and then short again. Massive drop down. Let's look at some of the trades that we had today. Here we go. Here's some of the trades that we delivered today, which was NVCN. That was 42% down. CCM 21.82% down. MIND 8% down. ACRS 14.88% down. NPD 18% down. We also had POLA and CEOX both at 6-7%. So again, massive opportunity to take advantage of some short trades today. One other thing that I wanted to mention, just looking back at the chart, is that if we're looking at the 45-minute chart, usually you see a short squeeze, specifically to this extent, when the stock is flat for an extended period of time. And this was definitely a prime candidate. So if you look at it, it's definitely flat for a very long time, and then suddenly it had some PR come out and it had that opportunity to squeeze up. So a lot of short sellers would have gotten caught here, but the biggest thing that we're looking for is that if it's flat, it's eventually going to break out if good news comes out. And here we can see that was the case. So when it comes up, there's going to be some profit taking that comes out of that, and that's where the short sellers really take advantage of these situations. What you don't want to get caught in is a short squeeze. So it's always best to wait until you have the right signals in place, and again, that's where the ShortAlgo really shines. Thank you for watching the technical video. If you're interested in improving your overall trading strategy, we recommend you start a 7-day free trial with ShortAlgo. This tool is designed to help traders easily identify buy and short opportunities across stocks listed in the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and CBOE. ShortAlgo merges 15 unique indicators into simplified signals that are delivered in real time. Get started with ShortAlgo.com.